Where to, man? Where to? It's 8:30. Oh my god. Seriously.
8:40 almost.
More or less. So where we headed, Aaron? So guys, the ride was supposed to be in Manori around 6 a.m. But
Then it was supposed to be in Airoli.
Airoli. Then I don't know. Now where we headed? Because we are only 3 right now. That's Nihal and Aaron. Society ka founder. So Aaron, where to, man?
Can I answer off camera?
Okay, so guys, another 5 minutes. So we have planned to go to RA. I hope so. Suddenly plan change नहीं होना चाहिए, but these guys are like बोले वेले और निकल गए यार कैसे. चलो फिर हम आरे की तरफ वो निकल पड़े. तो मिलते हैं आपको मतलब आपको दिखाते हैं कैसा दिखता है आरे. भांगोड़ा है जगह का नाम. So we'll be doing mostly off-roading. So let's go. That's his new bike, Sport Hybrid. What is it? Sport? Matrix. Yeah. Oh my god, Matrix. वहाँ से हमको लेफ़्ट लेना है आगे से लेफ़्ट लेके फिर सीधा फिर एक जंक्शन आएगा जहाँ से हम लोग को राइट लेना है. अभी देखते हैं. यू कैन गो राइट एंड यू कैन गो लेफ़्ट इफ़ यू वांट अ बिगर रूट. लेफ़्ट से शॉर्टर रूट से राइट से. तो मैं एग्जैक्टली बताता हूँ कहाँ से जाना है. यहाँ से सीधा आगे से और लोग. ये जंक्शन है. ये जंक्शन से सीधा नहीं जंक्शन की तरफ से राइट. Where we going from? Right now. So we'll take the right. So righter route is shorter and left route is longer. आ रहेगा. फिर एक बड़ा गेट आएगा, वो गेट के अंदर से. सो गाइज अपने को ये लेफ़्ट लेना है. ये जो गेट है यहाँ से लेफ़्ट और फिर सीधा फॉलो द रोड. बताता हूँ आपको पूरा सीन. तो ये रूट है. यहाँ से पूरा आपको कच्चा रोड मिलेगा. वैसा कुछ रोड मिलेगा, थोड़ा दूर वो ऑफ रोडिंग रोड करके ऐसा कुछ मिलेगा, और फिर अपने को जाना है सीधा और अपनी पब्लिक रुकी यहाँ पर। लेट्स गो गाइज,
ऑलमोस्ट रेडी फॉर अ
चला जाऊ
चला
कुर्ला पार्ला। We are going to Bangoda.
I swear to God, I don't even realize what all these places exist in Mumbai. And how come we have a mountain view?
I didn't know the name of this place actually. I've been here so many times. Seriously,
Huh?
I didn't know the name of this place. I just knew this place exists over here. Means,
A long back, after the first time I came, I went to Google Maps and checked.
what is it?
That's when I realized it's called Sai Bangoda.
Sai Bangoda.
Bangoda.
Bangoda. Okay.
On the map, I think it's GUD.
We have to take right from here. And mid gear. Oh, people have gone. That's right. Easy, easy, easy. Easy, easy, easy. Woo. Let's go. Yeah, now the real off-roading starts from here, bro. You. Yo guys, what's up? Whoa, you bought a roadie over here. Crazy. Yeah, dude. What is that?
Nehal.
That's fine. Yeah. So I'm just waiting for Nehal. Nehal, come over. So we'll be doing a small river crossing. River crossing. A छोटा सा river crossing है, जो भी है. What happened? Slip. Is it slippery? Okay. Chill है. Go na, go in. Take a ride. Arey, just go. Ride it. Put it. Arey, you're riding on the wrong gear. Put it on the first.
First, no?
Yeah. Go, go, go. Hit the pedals. Yeah, perfect. Go. Keep going. Yeah. You got it. चलो देखते हैं अपन करते हैं क्या. Piece of cake, bro. Ew.
Go ahead of me. I'm stuck.
Yeah. Oh, Aaron! Holy shit, that was cool. Okay, I could not do it, but cool. Aaron, we need to film, yaar. Proper wala. What do you think? Huh, Aaron? We should film it.
Yeah, dude. Why or not? I thought you were already.
Arey, I'm right behind you, but not exactly behind. Now I'm behind you. Now we can go. Because I was waiting for Nehal.
Of course.
So this right, if we take, where does it go? Aaron?
This one goes to Bangla, where I'm going.
So we are taking the off-road one.
Hey! That's not really a good thing for me.
Come आराम से. हाँ. चलो, let's go. I hope the footage is not shaky. Because I haven't done off-roading on this so much. Whoa, okay. I think we should film, get down and film. We should do something like that now. What do you think?
Right now, I'm not even thinking about my dress.
वो algorithm ऐसा नहीं है.
वो algorithm तेरा वाला नहीं है.
Whoa. Wow. Let's go. Faster. Excuse me. Thank you, bro.
Thank you.
Woo. Let's go faster now.
Should we wait for Nehal?
आगे will wait. Wow. Sorry. This is crazy. What is that? Boat. Wow. Oh, we are taking a long breath. Aaron, how do you feel after riding long? After, I think, how many months? For me, at least for a month, at least.
I've been riding recently, but not terrain like this. So my lungs are on fire at the moment.
That's crazy. Look at this, guys. Mountain bike चलाने का नतीजा. धोना पड़ेगा भाई पूरा. Because I don't have mudguard. Aaron has a mudguard and he's clean as hell. Still he's dirty. Oh, okay. उससे अच्छा गंदा ही हो जा भाई. गंदा हो जा भाई. देखो मज़ा देखो. इधर भी उड़ा है बुरा. ये तो देखा ही नहीं. Show mine. How dirty I look. Is it there?
Yeah.
How dirty it is. Damn dirty.
It's not that dirty.
Oh, cool. तो हम लोग को यहाँ से जाना है या यहाँ से जाना है?
Right.
यहाँ से राइट से जाना है. भाई ने बोल दिया अभी राइट से ही जाएंगे. चलो फिर मिलते हैं. ओके. People are trekking right to that Bangoda. I should have bought the drone. What do you think? No.
I should have brought extra lungs.
Nehal abhi just आया.
Guys, what I'm saying is, you're coming over here good. I would suggest bring your mountain bikes. It will be much better. But if you're like me, who's stuck with a hybrid cycle now, maybe stick to the roads.
Yeah. But still, you can still
But it's
enjoy
quite
with every bikes, man. You can
Yeah.
enjoy. It depends on your passion.
Yeah, and I'm just being lazy.
He's
right now.
only
Yeah,
saying that
exactly.
because he hasn't seen the actual place we are going.
Exactly,
Yeah, I don't know
exactly.
about it, so
It's a
I'm
first
still, I'm
time?
still sticking around.
It's his first time, maybe. I guess. Chalo, let's go, guys.
Oh shit! Never mind, it's worth it.
Whoa, guys. This is the place. This is the place. How the hell did they go there? From here?
From here you have to cross.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
Is it that shallow?
I've gone that side before. Yeah, it dries up generally, na, during the rest of the.
Okay. There are girls who are having dip. Wow. Yeah, let's go here first. Let me promote my channel. Subscribe to Babby's Mythical Rider. Woo! So इसी बात पे एक विली हो जाए गाइस. आपके लिए एक विली नहीं हुआ. फेल. People are having picnic. And there are a lot of cyclists over here. Oh my god, where are the cyclists? Are you guys the cyclists?
No.
No? I want to go that side. I've been there before, but summer में गया हूँ या तो winter में, याद नहीं है.
Overtaking.
Overtaking me? Okay. Go Nehal. Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck.
You have to.
The tires are slippery, man.
You have to pick your line over here, dude. Wherever you are.
So ये महफिल जमी है भाई, यहाँ पर मजा आ रहा है. So that's a small island.
This is Bihar.
I want to go that side. This is so perfect.
there
So
are
many
two lakes.
youngsters. Oh, look at that. People are crossing.
That's what I told you, na, bro. That water is in shallow.
Should we go?
You have to carry your bike and go.
You want to go?
Just see how deep it is.
It's like
Should I bought the drone, man?
Bottom bracket.
Should I bought the drone?
hey. You have a new friend.
Hey, no. That is. It smells nice, but it's lubricant.
Hi, puppy. Come.
Yeah, dude. He's camera shy.
So guys, अपनी बाइक यहाँ पर है. कुछ अब भाई जंप मत मार, सुसाइड मत कर. साइकिल कौन देखेगा फिर तेरा?
अभी तो आई.
हम लोग हैं इधर, टेंशन मत ले, हम लोग चला लेंगे.
तो आई है यार. थोड़ा चलाने तो दे.
तो गाइज अभी एक सिनेमैटिक शॉट मिलेगा. सिनेमैटिक लाइक अपने लैंग्वेज में सिनेमैटिक है, बट या सो दिस इज हाउ द बाइक्स आर एट द शोर. सो विल गो विद द फर्स्ट स्कॉट. सो स्कॉट में है ट्रैक्टर ब्रेक. देखो कितनी गंदी हो गई है भाई, गंदी हो गई है. यू या गिव मी अ सेकंड. सो गाइस आपको एक मैजिक बताता हूँ ये साइकिल में. क्रेजी मैजिक है. ये देखो, ये बटन प्रेस करके ही क्या होता है, ये देखो. मैजिक. सो ये बाइसिकल बहुत हैवी लोडेड है, बहुत सारे पार्ट्स एक्सपेंसिव भी है, इसके पेडल्स भी एक्सपेंसिव है, हाइड्रोलिक सीट पोस्ट जो यहाँ से कंट्रोल होता है अप एंड डाउन, फिर ये सस्पेंशन लॉक करने के लिए, हाइड्रोलिक ब्रेक्स. परफेक्ट बाइक, विक्टोरिया के एकदम अच्छे ग्रिपी टायर्स. और भाई फाइनली अपनी नहीं है बट या फॉर टाइमिंग अपनी है। सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग बैक होम। तो जाते जाते थोड़ा वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करेंगे भाई कुछ रुक के करते हैं, समझ रहे हो?
Are you ready to fall?
या एंड इट्स ड्रिजलिंग गाइस। भाई तो चल के आने वाले हैं अपने
I can't
रोडी
take
पे,
this.
बट या विल टेक अ रिवर शॉट।
Oh, we will.
यस वी विल। चलो गाइस मचाते हैं। ओके यहाँ पे स्लिपरी है थोड़ा, नहीं हो पाएगा अपने से भाई, इतना भी रिस्क नहीं लेना है। चलो निहाल मचाओ। Excuse me. बाय बाय। चलो बाय बाय तो कर दिया।
Sorry.
नो वरीज। कम आराम से।
Yeah.
वापस से वही रूट से जा रहे हैं। Easy, 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 easy.
Excuse me.
कसे आणले असं वरती पण चढवायचं.
Where to?
Wait for me.
Nihal? Do you want to take a river crossing or something? छोटा सा?
That river crossing is here now somewhere.
Yeah. चल we'll take there first. Come.
And then wait for you.
Yeah. Excuse me guys. Okay. चलो
पकड़ देते हैं।
just trying to ride. A cup. Fuck this. Wow.
I think we should wait for Neha.
Yeah.
We should have
So
waited
now,
at the turn actually, yeah.
what I'll do, you know. Woo! So I'll be filming this guys. Aaron और अपनी भाई यहाँ पे थग लाइफ जैसे खड़ी है. So Aaron, what I'm saying, you cross this, okay? For now you cross. I'll just set this frame, okay?
Let's do this.
Woo! Ho, 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 ho. Aaron is going to film me. So that's my bike right there. अपनी बाइक लेता हूँ. Let's go. Come. Thank you, Aaron, for filming me.
This water smells funny, dude.
Yeah, because they're washing clothes, man.
I just realized my mudguard was like that.
Oh, that's why you got dirty. Chal.
My feet are nice and cool now. But I need to wash my shoes definitely after this water.
The shoes. The shoes are good.
They are full of water, dude.
Acha. Even I'll be cleaning it slightly. Woo.
My front leg is not catching properly.
Why?
It needs to be bled.
Acha.
I'm very fuzzy.
Sure. Let's see if I can do this. Woo! I climbed the whole thing. Wow.
I don't think I'll be able to, but
You had to. Yeah, you will. Come. Keep coming, keep coming. You got it. Yeah. Let's go, let's go. Wow.
Okay, I can ride again.
Yeah, exactly. You got the road.
I'll see you guys later.
So guys, I'm ending the vlog right here. So please like, subscribe if you like my video. See you, Aaron, for the next ride. Nehal.
bro, see you on the next ride.
Yeah.
Stay happy, stay healthy, stay fucking psyched.
But right now I'm telling them bye because vlog खत्म हो रहा है. But
And
अभी क्या है? अभी
we
breakfast
don't
करने जा
want
रहे
to show you all how we are stuffing our faces with breakfast.
हैं. Yeah, exactly. चलो, see you guys. Bye.